Healthy ways to eat your Eidul Adha meat. Select the lean cuts of sheep meat, such as the rib and the shank, without the external fat. This can have up to 6% fat content. Remove the visible fat during preparation of the meat cuts for grilling. Avoiding consumption of internal organs, which contain large amounts of fat and cholesterol. It is preferable to prepare sheep meat by cooking or baking in the oven rather than by grilling on the barbecue. Consuming sheep meat at one main meal served during the day. It is preferable not to postpone this meal to the late evening hours. When grilling meats over coals, it is worthwhile also grilling vegetables like onions, tomatoes, eggplant, zucchinis, and carrots. Vegetables can be steamed, roasted, or boiled. Sprinkle lemon, lime, herbs, and spices. These can be used for seasoning instead of salad cream or mayonnaise. Vegetable salads can also be included in the festival meals. Include fruit at each meal. Use a small or medium-sized plate so you can get less of everything. Do not go for second turns or refilling. Grilling on coals is a less preferable method of cooking. Why? Because the meat is cooked at high temperatures, altering the protein and creating substances that are suspected of being carcinogenic, that is, cancer-causing. In the event that you nevertheless decide to grill the meat on the barbecue, it is worthwhile doing this with small pieces that require briefer cooking. Keep on watching the Medical Information Channel and this playlist.